Hi everybody, welcome to my new channel. Missybeelondon has natural hair. I've not done an intro video for this channel yet, so I thought let me do it now. This is my third YouTube channel, so to say. I've got my main one, which is Missybeelondon. I've got another one which I don't really need to talk about, and I've got this one here, Missybeelondon has natural hair. I thought to create a separate channel for all hair related videos, but just to keep it more separate and so people will know to come back to this channel for all hair related videos, not just a mixture of other videos. So basically, as you can see by the name, it is Missybeelondon has natural hair. So like I said, I'll be doing all hair related videos. I'll be doing hair tutorial videos, hairstyles, product reviews, product demos, and all videos related to hair. Oh yeah, hair tips as well, what I put in my hair, what I use in my hair, styling techniques as well. All of this to come on my channel. Right now things are not working out to plan, but give me some time to sort things out. Just tech issues, you know how it goes. So hopefully February I have many more videos. I've got a lot of products to use in my hair, products to review in my hair as well. So this is why I created Missybeelondon has natural hair channel, for that reason, because I've been doing a lot of hair videos on my other channel, but I thought, like I said, keep it separate. And in the description box you'll see a playlist of all the hair videos I got or I did so far, so you can see I have been doing many hair videos. And as you can see, my hair is 4C and it is short. I trimmed it twice and you will see those trimming videos in the hair playlist as well. So yeah, 2018, lots of things is going to be in store for this channel. Just give me time to sort things out because it's still new and I've got a lot of things going on right now. But just give you a little intro, and this is me. And oh yeah, apologies for the first couple of videos because they're not good quality, because I did them on mobile phone and it just wasn't the best quality. And yeah, hopefully from February they'll be good quality. Just having tech issues like I'm saying, so give me some patience, give me some time. And that will be it from me. Thank you for the support. If you're new, well, I'm guessing most people will be new, so please subscribe and support my channel, because I'm telling you there's going to be a lot of things in store for this channel and you don't want to miss out. And press the bell icon as well. You know what you got to do. I will support your channel as well. And that's it. Welcome 2018. Lots of things in store. How I created this hairstyle, there's a video already, but I had to revamp it because like I said, the previous video, it wasn't good quality because I filmed it on my phone and yada yada yada. But yes, a lot is in store for this channel. So thank you, thanks for watching. You know what you gotta do. See you in the next video. Bye for now.